how to have an invisible name on Discord. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, you will see the name that I just did is blank. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open a new window and you're gonna search for 1CBC copy and paste. Again, 1CBC, a copy and paste, and you're gonna open this site. Okay, and as you can see right here, this is the site that I have right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna just just select or try to hold the left mouse, and you're gonna click the right mouse and you're gonna copy. Okay, next step, you're gonna go back to Discord and you're gonna see right here the user settings and display name. I'm gonna edit it. Okay, as you can see right here, I'm gonna paste the name that I just copied, or the link that I just copied from this other page. So I paste it right now, and I'm gonna just hit save in the save button. Let me show you how. Okay, I'm gonna just save it, and I'm gonna just remove it like this, and I'm gonna just paste the link that I just did. I'm gonna just click the save changes, and as you can see right here, my name is blank on Discord. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.